Hello, we're going to use Blender and we're going to take the default cube and turn it into a chair. We're going to use things like subdivide and extrude and moving and selecting different faces to do that. First, we're going to switch into edit mode. You can switch it up there, or you can press tab to switch between edit mode and object mode. Edit mode allows us to change the shape of an object. Next, we're going to scale it thinner. We can use this face select mode. And usually you just select vertices, but with face select mode you can select the whole face, and then we can use the move tool to drag that down and make that the base of the chair. Okay, pressing A selects all those different sides. So press A and then right click subdivide. That'll create different faces, different quadrants. So it added a bunch of lines between, and subdivide again and again with everything still selected. And if you, I'm going to zoom in and still with the face select on, I'm going to select maybe at the bottom, I'm going to select these 4 faces. And then the extrude option, click extrude, you can drag it down, and we have our legs. That extrude drags down from whatever's selected and kind of builds onto the object. I select 2 of the legs, hold shift and select another one, and then the move tool can drag those ones forward, hold shift, select the back 2, move tool again, and drag those back. And there we have the legs for our chair. Now I want to make the back, so I'm going to hold shift again and select this back row of faces. And if we just moved it, it would do this sort of thing. So I want to extrude again. Extrude will kind of build on. And then after it's extruded, you can move the pieces around. There's a back. Maybe give it some shape. Select these ones holding shift and move those back a bit to curve it a bit. You can do the same with the base. If we want to, we can switch it to, instead of selecting one at a time, the circle select lets you click and drag, and it selects everything that circle touches. Then the move tool, you can drag it down a little bit to give it some shape like that. And that is our chair. If you switch back to object mode, you can see there's our chair, one object, the cube turned into a chair.